Hi there, I'm Kristen with One Focus Property Management, and we're going to take the tour of 2205 West 4th Street, apartment number 5 in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. This is a third floor walk-up with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, so let's go. So we are starting the tour in the common stairwell, and this is the stairwell that leads from the back here, and you can see there's parking out there, which each resident has 1 assigned spot. But do not let this super normal stairwell detract you from the incredibleness when you walk into the main entry door. This is literally just so incredibly beautiful, and you have got to book your tour to see this for yourself. So the first thing we walk into is this little area here, which is absolute perfection for a dining room table and chair set. You've got this beautiful view out the back here. I mean, come on, I've got the blinds down, but you can see the gorgeous mountains. Plus, you know, the sunshine is really giving us a mood today. We're gonna come into this beautiful open kitchen. Y'all, this offers so much space. Literal miles of countertops, so many cabinets. You have a full appliance package here in the kitchen, and I love that it all matches. The dark lowers, the light uppers, the black appliances. You could do a lot in here. You could leave it as it is. You could get a cute little long island cart, or maybe like a long kind of table where the chairs go underneath it. It's a really broad area here to kind of divide that up how you want. And then you have this beautiful space right over here to delegate for your living room furniture. It is so bright and open. If you have company over, you're in the mix of everything that's going on. And your bathroom is also super centrally located. I mean, and it's stunning. You've got the full-size bathtub. You've got this gorgeous tile surround. The vibe in here is cozy, comfortable. You want to take your shower in here for sure, or bath if you want to hop in that tub. Now we're going to go down the hall here to the first bedroom. Beautiful sized bedroom, nice and neutral. You've got these great windows. These blinds come down and they do make it pretty dark in here as well. You could certainly do about a queen size bed, but what I love is this dual closet situation. So it's one giant closet with all the fantastic built-in stuff to make it very, very easy for you to keep things super duper organized. Now let's go into the last bedroom here. This is the biggest of the 2. You could certainly do a king size bed in here. I love that you have a little bit of a panoramic view. And guys, they did not skimp on this closet situation in here. I mean, it is amazing. It's the chef's kiss up here. You're all the way at the top of the building. You have this gorgeous, gorgeous place, and you have this front access, which will actually take you right down to the mailboxes on the inside. And then back through that first hallway, when you're coming up the stairs, that will actually also lead you down to the coin-operated laundry that's here at the building. I mean, how about this place? It is absolutely incredible, and the literal only thing that's missing is you. So what you need to do to make this the next place that you're calling home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at the listing and be able to find all the information about the property. You can book your tour, and you can even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office. It's 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because y'all, I am chomping at the bit to help you make this your home.